Hey guys, so we have a special delivery today. Let's open it up and check what it is. Yeah, you already know what it is. It's the final lot of mini GTs for the month of August. So let's check what all do we have. Let's get cracking. We have a McLaren F1 in an orange. Then we have this Revuelto, a Lamborghini Revuelto in a Giallo or a yellow. Next up, we have the Mercedes-Maybach S680 in a gold and dark red metallic. In the real world, this color just looks awesome. I just got a few blister packs of this as well. So we'll check what that looks like. And then I've also got here the Subaru Impreza WRC 98 number 3. This is in the iconic 555 paint job. This is the 1998 Rally Monte Carlo third place. Super excited to open this one as well. I got a blister pack of that also. Then we have an RE-Amemiya. So we saw a white one in the previous drop, and this one is the RX-7 in the blue. Then we got a blue and white Lamborghini Huracan Estio Bianco Asopo. I hope I'm getting the pronunciations right. And then from Italy, we also have another Ferrari 812 Competizione, this time in a black with a yellow stripe on it. Superb, looking forward to that as well. And what do we have here? Another BMW M Performance Touring, this time in a mint green. Oh, and check this out. It doesn't have the packaging, it's been cut, and that's by the customs. They wanted to check what all is inside, which is why the box was also open, and this one also has this cut. Next, we have the Rexy. You already saw the shot on that. I'm going to do a complete detailed video on the number 77 Rexy, one of the most anticipated cars from this drop. What else do we have? Okay, now we have a Bentley Flying Spur in the orange flame and onyx. So basically black and orange paint job. Reminds me of the Bugatti Chiron. One more mini GT, and that is going to be the Porsche 911 Dakar. So we've seen a few recolors of the Dakar, and this one has to be the wildest one yet, but this is without the luggage on top of it. So it would be interesting to see how this compares against the one with the luggage. We have a few more Dakars coming up in the months to come. And we have this Cairo house. I'm really interested in checking this one out because I've been seeing some photos. Even the POs, when they were open and the photos came out, that green just looks hot, that green chrome. I want to check out what that looks like. What else do we have here? We've got a BMW M4 competition in the Sakhir Orange. This should be another interesting car. And that's the last. We've got a blister packaging from the James Bond series that Mini GT has been doing. And that is going to be the beautiful Mustang. Just check out the wheels on that. Wow. So let us know if there is any specific order in which you want me to start unboxing them, and I will do that. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy collecting.